Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Shashi Patel here.
I know that you've been gone. You and me, we don't belong. It only makes me strong.
I know आप लोग मेरे वीडियो का वेट कर रहे होंगे बट एक्चुअली मेरे पास टाइम बिल्कुल नहीं वीडियो शूट करने का। कंपटीशन की तैयारी चल रही है, दूसरी बात मतलब इतना ज़्यादा बिजी रहने क्योंकि मतलब वीडियो शूट करने में बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं निकलता। सो गाइज विदाउट वेस्टिंग आवर टाइम जस्ट लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड इनटू अ वीडियो। So guys, this is my first beautiful outfit. This is a high neck top which I usually wear in party. Yeah, it seems to be very cool. These are the stones which are fixed on my top, so it seems to be very pretty on me. Yeah, this is my first outfit. This is my again a crop top without sleeves. Yeah, I just love this my outfit. I just wear this with my skirt or jeans. This is the third black top with full sleeves, 3/4 sleeves I think so. Yeah, I just used to wear this with black jeans only. Yeah, I just like the combination of black jeans and black top. This is the third one. This is my black tee which I used to wear in daily purposes. So this is a black tee, and again this is my black shirt. Yeah, I just love to wear shirt. Yeah, it seems to be very classy I think so. Yeah, again this is again a black shirt. Yes, I just love to have the collection of black shirts. This is another black one shirt. Okay, yeah, here are the combination of black and a white. This is a beautiful shirt. I just love to wear it. This is another one black top with cut sleeves and has some stones on it. Yeah, it's a party wear, so I just used to wear in club or parties. Yeah, and this is a crop top with white shade, and I just love to wear for basic. Yeah, for basic purpose. And I think this is the black top which has floral print on it, and it seems to be like a flower style. It seems to be very unique. And now just let's see the collection of my black jeans. This is my first jeans. Yeah, I know every girl just have to love the collection of black outfits. Jeans तो basically सबके पास ही सेम होते हैं, ठीक है? Black and blue, it's the combination. Yeah, but let it be. मैं फिर से दिखाती हूँ आपके लिए. This is the second black jeans. Jeans तो काफी है. This is another black jeans with white. I just love. These are the rough shapes. This is my black pant which I used to wear with kurtis or high waist top. And now it's time for my ethnic wear. Yeah, this is a fairy tale gown. Just guys, just have a look at this black outfit. It seems to be very marvelous, fabulous. So guys, आपको कौन सा outfit पसंद आया? So please just mention in the comment section. Okay. Again ethnic wear, a black kurti with a black, I hope so it's black plazo with this. I just show this after some times. Again a black lacha. See the stone work on it. It's marvelous. Superb yaar. Now a kurti with a patiala suit. I just love to wear patiala suit with kurtis and with that contrast dupatta. Yeah, I just love to have the contrast. This is the patiala with my kurti and with the contrast dupatta. This is a crop top with my mirror lacha. It seems to be very beautiful. Again one crop top with low waist or what, with a beautiful skirt. Just see guys how it seems looking nice na? Yeah. Now guys, this is a plazo which I used to wear with my kurtis. Now it's time for western wear or I'd say one piece dress. Yeah, so this guys, please. This is my one piece outfit which I used to wear in parties और नाइट पार्टीज यार, आई जस्ट लव टू वियर दिस आउटफिट, वेस्टर्न आउटफिट। पता झुकना पड़ रहा है, कपड़े किस दूर रखे कि मुझको लिटरली झुकना पड़ रहा है उनको पिकअप करने के लिए। अगेन वन पीस अबव नी लेंथ, या आई डोंट नो, पता है लिटरली गाइस अभी तक मुझे ये नहीं पता समझ में आया कि ये ड्रेस कहाँ से पहनूँ, मतलब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता इसको, कुछ मुझे इतना पड़ा। यू जस्ट सी इट सीम्स टू बी वेरी क्लासी ना, या आई हैव लिटिल वेस्टर्न आउटफिट्स, या दिस इज द मिडी with high neck, yeah, this is the midi. Now guys, this is the last outfit for this video, and guys I have much more enough black outfit collection, so just guys वो मैं आपको next video में दिखाऊंगी कि कितना सारा black collection है। मतलब अभी तो daily uses वाले तो दिखाए नहीं है, ये सारे सब party wear और whatever it is। So guys आपको कोई भी black outfit मेरा पसंद आया तो please just mention in the comment section and do share as many as possible you have, okay? And please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for such more videos. Till then, bye bye.